Welcome to the day 24 of the 108 vinyasa flow. Today we are going to look into Janushirasana A. Now it's time to look into how to get into and out of this asana with ease. Thank you. Carries a huge reputation of shaping up your hips. But that's not it. This asana, Janushirasana, carries benefits like calming your brain, relieves mild depression, as all forward bends do. Then, it is quite useful for stretching your spine, shoulders, hamstrings, groin, and the organs which benefit most from it are kidneys, liver. So it stimulates liver and kidney. It improves digestion, and we normally mainly use this asana with some aided support for high blood pressure, insomnia, and sinusitis.